Welcome on Bhanda Classes YouTube channel. I am Navakant Misra with you to discuss multiplication of algebraic expression. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, in this exercise, you have to solve the question by using the formula. Because you know that multiplication can be done by different methods, and in exercise you have to use the formula to solve the question. And you know very well that x minus y into x minus y can be written as x minus y whole square, and it can be written as x square minus 2xy plus y square. You have to use this formula to solve this question. And now 2a minus 5b into 2a minus 5b can be written as 2a minus 5b whole square, and by using this formula it can be written as 2a whole square minus 2 into 2a into 5b plus 5b square, and after that 4a square minus 2 2 ja 4 4 5 ja 20 ab plus 25b square. That is the result. Similarly, my dear, in the next question, x cube minus y cube into x cube minus y cube can be written as x cube minus y cube whole square, and it can be written as x cube whole square minus 2 into x cube into y cube plus y cube whole square, and which can be simplified as x to the power 6 minus 2x cube y cube plus y to the power 6. That is, student, you have to use the formula a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or it can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. And what you have to just see that this is binomial and it is converted into trinomials. So in some question it may be given that change binomials into trinomials. So how can you convert into trinomials? Actually, indirectly it has been just to say that you have to write down in expanded form, or you have to use the formula to solve this question. And how can you have to change into trinomials? Actually, by using this formula, x square its whole square plus 2 into x square into y square upon 2 plus y square upon 2 whole square. And what will be the final result? X to the power 4 plus 2 and 2 cancel, so x square y square plus y to the power 4 upon 4. That is the trinomials for this bite. Actually, by using formula you have to solve this question. For these purposes you need to convert into either a plus b or a minus b form. So you can convert 287 as 300 minus 13, and since it's whole square, so you have to write down whole square. Now it convert in this form, a plus a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and you know very well that it is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this is why you can just use these identities. 300 square minus 2 into 300 into 13 plus 13 square, and it is equal to, and when you multiply 2 into 300 into 13, then you get 7800 plus 13 square is equal to 169. On simplification you get 82,369. My dear student, you can just see in this question 8.2 into 7.8, it can be written as 8 plus 0.2 into 7.8 can be written as 8 minus 0.2, and it is based on the formula a plus b into a minus b. It can be written as a square minus b square, so it can be written as 8 square minus
0.2 whole square. 8 square is equal to 64 minus 0.2 whole square can be written as 0.04, and on subtraction you can just get 63.96.
My dear student, you can just see that it has been given that find the values of 4a square plus 12a plus 9 if a is equal to 1.
In this question you have to just see that 4a square plus 12a plus 9, and if you start the solution, then
at first you have to arrange in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square.
And for this purposes you need to rearrange it. 4a square can be written as 2a square plus 9 can be written as 3 whole square and 2ab.
You have to arrange in this form.
So 2 into the value of a in this question has been given 2a into the value of b has been given 3, and this is why now it can be written as 2a plus 3 whole square.
This is the rearrangement when you have to just convert in the square form.
And now putting the value of a is equal to 1. Therefore 2a plus 3 whole square can be written as 2 into 1 plus 3 whole square, and it is equal to 2 plus 3 whole square, and it is equal to 5 whole square, and its result is 25. So its value is 25.
In this question
you can just see that expression has been given x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square. You need to rearrange it. X is already in square form. 1 upon x square can be written as 1 upon x whole square, and plus 2 can be rearranged as 2 into x into 1 upon x, because x cancel, so you get 2. And now it is based on a formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, and it can be written as a plus b whole square, and this is why you can just write down x plus 1 upon x whole square. Now you can just see that putting the value of x is equal to 4, so putting the value x is equal to 4, therefore x plus 1 upon x whole square can be written as 4 plus 1 upon 4 whole square, and on simplification you can write down 16 plus 1 upon 4 whole square or 17 upon 4 whole square, that is equal to 289 upon 16. That is the value of this expression. In this question you need to find out the value of p, and regarding the solution there is a equation has been given. 4p is equal to 98 square minus 88 whole square. So you have to use a square minus b square, this formula, to simplify it, and you know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and this is why you can just write down 98 plus 88 into 98 minus 88, and you know that 98 plus 88 is equal to 186, and 98 minus 88 is equal to 10, and therefore p is equal to 186 into 10 upon 4, because multiply change into divide,
and on simplification you can get p is equal to 465, and that is the value of p. Similarly, you can just see that if you need to find out the value of x in this equation that has been given, then you can just see that 4x is equal to 4.32 whole square minus 2.32 whole square. This is also the similar type of question. You have to use a square minus b square, and you know very well that this formula is equal to a plus b into a minus b, So you have to apply the similar method 4.32 plus 2.32 into 4.32 minus 2.32, and on simplification you can get x is equal to 3.32. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have not like, share and subscribe, then please subscribe it, and also don't forget to comment, because your comment is very valuable.